In this video, I will guide you on how to create cash sales and invoice sales. First, you should look for the sales order which under the sales category. After that, you'll be guided into this page. In this page, if there is any sales order that is confirmed, for example this, then you can create invoice sales or cash sales easily by clicking on either one of the hyperlink at here. In this case, I want to create cash sales, so I will click on the create cash hyperlink at here. After that, you'll be guided into this page. In this page, if the customer have issued the payment, then you can select the payment method used by the customer. In this case, I select the cash. After that, you need to fill in the amount. After finish, you must click the add button here. Or otherwise, you can leave it. After finish, you must click on the save button here in order to save the record. If there is any sales that is directly due, then you can directly create cash sales or invoice sales instead of creating sales order. Now I will guide you on how to create cash sales. The step of creating cash sales is same as the step of creating invoice sales. First, you should look for the cash sales which under the sales category. After that, you'll be guided into this page. In this page, you need to click the plus icon here. Then you'll be guided into new cash sales page. In this page, you need to select the customer. There are two choices for you to select the customer. First, you can select the customer by using company's customer. Then the second choice is you can select the customer by using vehicle plate number. If the vehicle plate number is non-existing at here, then an error message will be shown at here. In this case, we will use our value customer to represent all the walk-in customer that does not has any existing record. After that, you'll be guided into this page. You can create a new customer by clicking on the hyperlink at here. Then these are all the optional fields for you to fill in. For example, you can fill in the address into 3 columns as you can see here. Then you can fill in the contact person and the contact number. Besides, you can also fill in the new vehicle plate number if you have, for example, VHJ1146, the model is Asia. So the address that you fill in at here, it will bind with the vehicle plate number that you fill in at here on the vehicle master page. After that, you can also fill in the mileage, for example, 500 km. Then at the items information part, you need to select the items for sales. First, you can use the item code to search for the item. Then you can use the item code and add with a description to search for the item. For example, 175 tire. And you can also search for the item more specifically by adding more description. For example, 175 tire, Continental. In this case, I select the 175 Continental 6 new tire. After that, you need to fill in the quantity at here. In this case, I fill in 10. The quantity that you fill in at here, it will affect the quantity on hand that show on the stock viewing page. You can select the unit of measure at here, and you can also fill in the unit price, for example 300. For the item discount at here, you can either enter a value or a percentage. In this case, I enter 3%. You can also select which employee carry out this use, for example Farid. If the user role have full control of function, then you can select the location. After that, you must click the add button here. Then you can select this tire is under which batch, for example batch 6. After making changes, you must click the save changes hyperlink here in order to save the record. So you can also create a new inventory by clicking on the hyperlink at here. If you want to select another items for sales, then you can select the item add here again. In this case, I select battery NS40. After that, you need to fill in the quantity. For example, 1, the unit price is 200. Then for the total discount add here, you can also either enter percentage or a value. In this case, I enter 10. After that, you need to click the recalculate button. Then the total price has been recalculated again, as you can see here. If the customer have issued the payment, then you can select the payment method used by the customer. In this case, I select the cash. Then you need to fill in the amount. After that, you need to click the add button here. After finish creating cashiers, you must click the save button here in order to save the record. Then on the stop viewing page, the quantity on hand has been decreased, as you can see here, after doing the cashiers. That's all from me, and thank you for watching.